My brave little yogis, I'm so happy to practice with you today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss out on our adventures together. This session is going to make you feel calm, light, and free as a cloud. Get comfy on your mat and take a big deep breath in through your nose. Now breathe it all the way out. Kneel down nice and tall, then sit all the way back onto your heels like a brave superhero resting after saving the day. Flat on your back near a pretend wall. Stretch both legs straight up to the sky and wiggle your toes like stars. Slide your legs apart into a big split on the floor. Reach your arms up high and let out a happy monkey O-A-A. Squat down low with your feet wide and your elbows pressing gently against the inside of your knees, just like a little frog ready to jump. Stand up tall like a mountain, reach your arms way up high, and lean gently to one side like a tree swaying in the breeze. Drop your belly and look up like a happy cow. Then round your back high like a stretching cat. Sit cross-legged on the floor. Pull your feet up close to your lap. And rest your hands on your knees like a wise, quiet master. Lie on your back, lift your legs up and over your head until your toes touch the floor behind you, just like a farming plow turning the earth. Stand on one leg, glue your other foot to your leg, or ankle like tree bark, and grow long, strong branches up to the sky. Wrap your arms around your legs and roll up into a tiny, round bouncing ball. Lie on your back, plant your hands and feet on the floor, and push your tummy all the way up to make a big round bridge or wheel. With your legs stretched straight out in front of you, take a deep breath and reach forward to tickle your toes. Sit with one leg straight and one leg bent, then reach one arm up and stretch sideways to catch your toes while looking up at the sky. Tummy, prop yourself up on your strong forearms and look straight ahead like a mysterious stone statue. bend your knees, reach back to hold your ankles, and pull gently to lift your chest like a bending bow and arrow. Lie on your back with your knees bent, press your feet into the floor, and lift your hips high so a little train can drive right underneath you. Stand tall, wrap one leg around the other like twisting vines. Cross your arms with your palms together, and look sharp like an eagle. Wide apart, reach out to the side, and tilt your body down to touch your shin while pointing your other hand straight up. Sit down and bring the bottoms of your feet together. Then flap your knees up and down gently like colorful butterfly wings. Stand tall, take a big breath, and fold all the way down from your hips, letting your arms wiggle like a soft ragdoll. Press your hands and feet into the floor and lift your bottom high in the air to make a giant upside-down letter V, just like a stretching puppy. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos. Bye bye little yogis, and see you soon.